Morning everyone, or afternoon, or whatever time you decide to watch this. Welcome back to another vlog. So in my stories, if you follow me, I said I wanted to do another behind the scenes video. I got my Dyson in the back. Another behind the scenes video of how I shoot my feed. So I figured I would start the video today because I'm actually doing some in-house content. So I have to shoot for a brand in my apartment. I have to do like a brunch scene. So I already did my makeup and hair. I was going for a little retro vibe inspired by Marina and the Diamonds. So I figured I would start the video today, and this weekend we'll be shooting downtown again, so I'll take you there as well. So let's just start doing everything that I need to do for this photo shoot. So like I said, this is a brunch theme. That's like what the memo is pretty much. So I need to make some brunch items. I need to make this look good, but first I want to figure out where I want to shoot. Also, my apartment is very messy, so forgive me. So originally I was thinking I would shoot exactly where my dog is. That's our old rug. There's literally just, there's shit everywhere. I have that table on our couch because my dog likes to bark out the window. Don't wag that tail. You're a jerk sometimes. I'm also back to shooting on the Canon G7X. I've been filming most of my videos on the Sony A6 something, 6100 I think. But the camera died so quick and the audio was really off. I don't know, I guess I prefer the Canon G7X over anything. So that's what we're doing. I'm just setting up my tripod right now. If you do want to know all the equipment that I use, I do have a video on that on my channel. So I'm not going to go over it in this video. And like I have stuff over here. I'm working with the Senio soon, so I have like frames everywhere. Our apartment's kind of a disaster right now, much like my mind. So I'm just getting my tripod ready, and I'm gonna figure out where exactly I want to shoot. So when it comes to shooting like food photography, I have some tips. First off, you never want to use anything hot. So for the waffles that I'm going to use, they're still frozen. They're not hot. I didn't cook them. I didn't warm them up because I did put butter slices on them. Obviously, if they were hot, it's going to melt. You'd have to work super quickly to take your photos. It's okay to have ice in these glasses because it's not super hot in here. It's not going to melt really fast, but yeah, if you're working with hot foods and you're going to have like melting and stuff, that's not good. You're going to have to work super fast and then you're going to have a messy shot. So those are my tips. Pretty much just use like frozen or fake foods, or just kind of like makeshift whatever you can. Like I actually poured one of the club sodas in the glass already, so I had an empty bottle, but for the shot I wanted to fill it up, so I just put some tap water in it so it looked like it was full for the shot. Yeah, so now let's kind of set up the shot and see if we like it, if we want to add more things. Let's do that now. Is done. I'll check out those photos in a second, but first I need to cook the props because I am starving. Morning guys. I just got ready. I'm picking up this vlog where I left off. It's been like a few weeks since I last filmed it, like the first part of this video, because my grandmother passed away and I just, you know, wasn't obviously going to be filming and I wasn't shooting. So we're picking up where we left off. We're going back on track. This wind. I have to move. So yeah, we're going out today to shoot a few outfits. Not too many. I only have 2 that I want to shoot, and then I have to shoot some in my apartment. So we're doing that this morning. Figured I would take you guys along for the behind the scenes. Yeah, so it's been like a wild past 2 weeks. Things are just kind of insane. Trying to just get better at shooting content and just still putting up things that I love. Feeling a little bit discouraged about Instagram right now. What? That, come on, motorcycle. That's what we're doing today, and I'm also going to be that girl, and I'm getting a pumpkin spice cold brew, whatever, pumpkin something from Starbucks. I'm that girl, because you know what, I deserve it. That's why. I have to straighten up my apartment because we haven't been here in 2 weeks, so I'm gonna go eat my breakfast and then we're gonna head out. I'm trying to wear my extensions less because it's a pain in the ass to put them in, but I just have like a love-hate relationship with my hair. I just want it to be long, but I also don't want to wear my extensions. I'm also thinking about cutting my bangs. I'm thinking about actually going on Instagram Live and cutting my bangs. We'll see how that goes. I'm also loving the Undone Texture Spray by Paul Mitchell. Just gives my hair like a little oomph. Great. Okay, now we're actually gonna go shoot. Not a soul. So we're back in the car. It's super windy out. Of course, it's making me so frustrated. There's nobody out, so if anyone's concerned that I'm not wearing a mask, we try to shoot at times where there's literally nobody around, which is right now. So I'm gonna change and I'll see you in my next outfit. All right, I'm in my second outfit. I just have my shirt on underneath this because I need to go grocery shopping after this. This dress that I have on is from ASOS. It's Misguided from ASOS. Starting to put some fall things in my feed, even though it's not September yet, but you know, gotta be ahead of the game. Also gonna wear a hat with this. Is my hat in the front?
Yep.
Can I have it, please? Say it. Go on. Say it.
Nothing.
What do I look like?
Where's your horse?
On a beach somewhere. Living the dream. Right. Second location. This building right here.
Dude, come on. Keep her. So.
Yes. It's so nice out. Alright, back to the car. Back to changing. Now we gotta go grocery shopping. Ew. Man, that's so nasty. Alright, we just got home. What you just watched was me taking my herbs that I got. I started going to an acupuncturist, which I feel like is helping for the most part compared to any other thing that I've tried before. But the herbs that I have to drink twice a day are so disgusting. Oh, fuck.
Why do you never put stuff on like level surfaces? Like move the book. Jesus, you drive me nuts.
Then you can film it if you'd like, sir.
I'm on my job.
I figured I would film this because I actually have to film stories for a brand right now, so this is the behind the scenes of that. So these have to go up this week, but I'm filming them now. It's for a brand called Ascenio, which you may be familiar with. So yeah, keep an eye out for that post because I will have a coupon code for you guys, but yeah, I haven't really had any. Don't wag your tail. For a cute little, why? Cute little coupon code. Ugh. Oh my god, my camera's dying. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have a lot of stuff to do. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also head over to my Instagram page, which is @theblondeGirlDaily. I post a lot of behind the scenes there, so more than I post on YouTube, so definitely head over there, especially with reels now. All of my behind the scenes are in my reels, so go follow me there. And if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!